for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, Bose sound system, LED headlights, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, heated front seats, CD player, heated steering wheel, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.